Dang! Check that out, guys. How cool! What is up, guys? Today we're unboxing the Eacham E120. Look at this thing. I saw this and just thought, yes, let's give this a go. Boom! Look at that. Manual. We'll definitely be reading this time, working out how to calibrate the gyro so it flies good. But very, very similar to that other blue chopper. Pretty much identical, actually. Look at that. 4-blade rotor. Some nice little scale details. Be so cool if they made these windows clear, but hey, that looks like a little weapon. There we go. So let's calibrate the gyro as well. Happy days. Let's go! Oh, it's so sick. Look at the detail on him. Okay, we're going to go flying outside. Flies pretty good. About what do you expect for what it's worth, so let me know what you guys thought. Have you got one? Does it fly better than this one? Catch you next time.